Here's a crazy stat for you. 97% of authors barely make enough from their books to buy a cup of coffee. Let that sink in. All those sleepless nights typing away at your laptop only to make enough for this? Harsh, right? But it's true. And I should know, because I've been there. I made the mistakes, learned the hard way, and now, I'm here to make sure you don't. So, stick with me, and I'll show you how to be part of the 3%. The authors who actually make money. Let's start with the dream. You imagine writing your book, watching it climb the bestseller charts, maybe even doing interviews about it. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But here's the reality. Most self-published authors sell fewer than 100 copies. Unless your name's Alex Hormozy or you've cracked the marketing code, it's a tough game. But here's the good news. The difference between broke and successful authors has nothing to do with writing talent. It's about what happens before and after you hit publish. Writing a book is easy. The hard part is selling it. Here's where most authors go wrong. They think writing a great book is enough. It's not. Imagine opening a restaurant in the middle of nowhere and not telling anyone. Crazy, right? That's exactly what you're doing if you publish without a marketing plan. Here's how it usually goes. You spend months writing your book. You pay for editing and a shiny cover. You publish it on Amazon. You tell your friends and family. And then, crickets. Sound familiar? Here's the secret to becoming a successful author. You need at least one of these two things. Ideally, both. Option 1. A strong online presence. Think of it like a launchpad for your book. You need a social media following that cares about what you say. An email list of readers who are excited about your book. Content that shows off your expertise. Blogs, videos, whatever works for you. No followers yet? No problem. Start building now. Option 2. A marketing budget. If you're not big online, you'll need to spend money to get noticed. If you're not big online yet, that's okay. But it means you'll need to spend some money to make your book visible. Here's where your marketing budget should go. 1. Professional book promotions. Think of services that promote your book to their audience. These platforms can give you a head start. 2. Social media advertising. A small budget for targeted ads can go a long way in getting your book in front of the right people. 3. Book review services. Getting reviews isn't just about credibility, it also helps your book stand out in search results. 4. Email marketing campaigns. Tools like MailChimp can help you reach readers directly with exciting updates and offers. 5. Virtual book tours. This is where bloggers, influencers, and reviewers talk about your book online. It's great for building buzz. Now let's talk strategy. Before you hit publish, you need a solid plan. Step 1. Draw up a marketing plan. This is your book's roadmap to success. You'll need to know who your readers are, where they hang out online, how you'll reach them, your budget, and key promotional dates. Think of this as important as writing the book itself. Step 2. Start marketing early. Most authors wait until their book is live to start marketing. Big mistake. You need to start the moment you decide to publish. Build anticipation and get people excited. Share your writing journey. Post sneak peeks or snippets. Build an email list of interested readers. Get beta readers who will provide feedback and testimonials. Here's another pro tip. Don't go it alone. Publishing is a team sport. You need allies. People who can help spread the word about your book. Start connecting with authors in your genre, bloggers and reviewers who love books like yours, podcast hosts who interview authors, and social media influencers with engaged audiences. These relationships take time to build, so don't wait until launch day to start networking. And finally, get your marketing materials ready before you launch. Here's what you'll need: a book trailer or teaser video, sample chapters to hook potential readers, social media posts and graphics, email sequences to keep your audience engaged, and author interviews or behind-the-scenes stories to share. Think of this content as the fuel for your book's big launch. The more prepared you are, the more time you'll have to focus on connecting with readers once your book goes live. And one last thing, don't get overwhelmed. Every best-selling author started exactly where you are, with an idea and a blank page. The difference? They treated their book like the start of a journey, not the end of one. If you take the time to plan, build your audience, and market like a pro, you won't just write a book. You'll create something people want to read. So here's your homework. Write down your book's target reader. Who's it for? Sketch out a simple marketing plan. Start talking about your book today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with a fellow writer, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got plenty more tips to help you turn your dream into reality, because your book deserves to be read by more than 97 people. If you love this video, then you will love the next one. So hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you know when I publish a new video. Also, like and share this video. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to finish this coffee, but I'll see you in the next video. Happy writing!